Peace, peace, y'all. All right, and this is going to be a video about performing, right? Now, this is not a writing workshop video, so we are not going to be doing any writing prompts. We're actually going to be doing our best to keep this video moving. We would love for this to be a one-part video situation. Now, it's not a prompt video, so you are going to go and get that piece, that poem, that song, whatever that you plan on performing, go get it now. All right, now that you've got that piece, you have to understand that performing and really giving your best on stage really requires all of you, right? Every single part of you. So it's going to be best that you have lots of room on stage to be able to take up that space. So now you need to have that piece memorized. So go ahead, memorize that piece and come on back. All right, now that you got that piece memorized, it's time to perform. One of the best things to remember, I really want to get you straight to advance on this, right? You have it memorized. You have it memorized, you have it memorized. I want you to know the kind of energy, the kind of space, the kind of headspace that you want your audience to be in. And not only do you want them to be in that headspace, say you want them in the place of sadness, say you want them in the place of glee, and these are areas where it would be an exaggeration from where they were before you touched the stage. You have to be ready to introduce to them this drastic change of mood without a problem. Now, easiest way to do that is you be comfortable in that mood and you be comfortable in changing the atmosphere to be appropriate for what you plan on displaying. Take some time to think about that. Okay, now that you know the kind of mood that you want to put people in, you have to be ready to, at the drop of a dime, put yourself in that mood. Now, the best way to practice this is while you're going over your poem and rehearsing it, put yourself right in the mood where you want your audience to be. Now, that you've worked on that, you have to be ready to go into that room, to stand on that stage and dance and twirl and perform as if no one is watching. It is literally the hardest part about performing. It's often that we think conveying the energy and our personality and our feelings on stage is a complicated aspect, but it actually isn't. You were able to bring forth those feelings because you wrote them on paper. You know exactly how they feel. You know exactly how you want them to be conveyed. It is the part where you must move and make space what you plan on bringing forth. Now, let's practice